Can sleep apnea cause migraines? If you're wondering whether sleep apnea could be the reason behind your migraines, you're not alone. Let's break down the connection between these two conditions to help you understand what's going on. Sleep apnea is a sleep disorder where you stop breathing for short periods during sleep. The most common type, obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, happens when your throat muscles relax and block your airway. This can lead to several complications, including high blood pressure, heart problems, and even diabetes. Now let's talk about the link between sleep apnea and migraines. Research suggests that sleep apnea might indeed trigger migraine episodes. Here's how it could happen. During sleep apnea episodes, your oxygen levels drop, a condition known as hypoxia. This low oxygen supply can cause changes in the blood vessels in your brain, which might trigger a migraine. Another theory is that the frequent awakenings caused by sleep apnea can lead to poor sleep quality and sleep deprivation. Both of these are known triggers for migraines. So, if you're waking up multiple times a night due to breathing pauses, it could disrupt your sleep patterns and make you more prone to migraines. In addition to migraines, sleep apnea can also cause other types of headaches, such as morning headaches. These typically occur on both sides of the head and feel like a pressing pain. They usually go away within 30 minutes of waking up and are different from migraines, which can last for hours or even days and are often localized to one side of the head. It's also worth noting that the reverse connection is being explored, whether migraines can lead to sleep apnea. While chronic migraines can disrupt sleep patterns and potentially contribute to sleep disorders like sleep apnea, research hasn't yet confirmed that migraines directly cause sleep apnea. In fact, one study found that people with migraines might even have a lower risk for sleep apnea. If you suspect you have sleep apnea and are experiencing migraines, it's crucial to talk to a healthcare professional. Signs you should look out for include frequent headaches, especially when waking up, excessive daytime sleepiness, loud snoring, and breathing interruptions during sleep. Using a CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure machine, can help. CPAP therapy keeps your airways open during sleep, improving your sleep quality and oxygen levels. This can reduce the frequency, severity, and duration of migraine episodes. In summary, sleep apnea can indeed contribute to migraine episodes through mechanisms like hypoxia and poor sleep quality. While the exact connection is still being studied, managing sleep apnea with treatments like CPAP can help alleviate migraine symptoms. If you're experiencing these issues, consulting a doctor is the best step to get a proper diagnosis and treatment plan.